Hello, Dai! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am Nick Zab. For today's video, I will show you how I do this super simple and fresh clean girl makeup look. This look is perfect siya for school, everyday errands, or just soft everyday glow. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell para updated ka sa next glow up video. Let's start with skin prep. So we need to start with very fresh skin. So, nakapag-toner na ako, serum. So, ngayon, napapakita ko ay yung moisturizer ko, which is itong The Originote. For skin prep, do not apply too much skincare kasi baka masira yung base nyo. Medyo dry na din yung lips ko. Maglalagay lang ako ng lip balm. Then, let's proceed with sunscreen. Ito yung ginagamit ko. This is from The Originote. And of course, sa leeg, para pantay. And this is my skin right now after mag-skin prep. So, every time I do clean girl makeup look, mas prefer ko talaga mag-skin tint kaysa sa foundation. Naha-hide niya din yung mga blemishes ko. Pero hindi din over sa coverage. Tama lang. Like as we can see, base pa lang parang naglagay lang ako ng smoothness effect sa face ko. And to cover these marks and here sa under eye, maglalagay lang ako ng concealer ng very konti. Here. You can use brush or puff for your concealer. Pero I prefer both. Inuna ko lang yung brush and then puff para mas malinis yung base. And para mas kumapit yung base ko, lalagyan ko lang ng setting spray yung puff. Like that. This way, mas iwas kiki yung makeup. Okay, next, contour. I'll be using this one. This is from Vice Cosmetics. So, for contour, depende na lang sa inyo kung saan nyo gusto lagyan. You can add here, sa sides, sa taas, sa jawline. But, mas prefer ko sa nose lang. Maglalagay lang ako ng powder. This is from Sage Lady. Para hindi masyadong makapal tignan. And then for my kilay, hindi na ako maglalagay ng pangkulay sa kilay ko. Maglalaminate na lang ako. I'll be using this one. This is from Maybelline. So, ang ginagawa ko lang sa kilay ko ay fina-follow ko lang yung shape. And then next, let's add some liquid blush. This is from Vice Cosmetics in the shade Always Sweet. Ito yung shade na pinili ko dahil mas natural siya tignan. As you can see. Yan. And what I like about this blush ay medyo dewy siya tignan. Very natural lang tignan. Parang kinilig lang, ganun. And then next, eyeliner. Ito yung gagamitin ko. This is from JMCY, yung Ultra Thin or Slim Flowing Eyeliner nila. And then, after eyeliner, mascara. I'll be using this one, Sky High from Maybelline. Then next, we're almost done. Pwede din pala kayo maglagay ng eyeshadow if you want. Pero, for me, kasi gusto ko talaga ma-achieve yung very clean girl makeup look. Kaya hindi na ako nag-eyeshadow. But you can add some, yung brown or nude eyeshadow para natural din tignan. And if feeling nyo hindi long lasting yung cream blush na ginamit nyo, you can add powder blush on para mas magstay yung blush on and may maiwan na blush on, ganun. Hindi pwede makalimutan yung highlighter. I'll be using this one. This is from Careline. So, dalawang lipi yung gagamitin ko. This one, this is from Maybelline na Daddy Tint nila. And then, yung lip balm na ginamit ko kanina from Get Ready With Me. Ito, ilalagay ko to sa inner part ng lip ko. And para medyo glossy din tignan, maglalagay lang ako ng lip balm. And of course, last step is setting spray para magstay yung makeup. And muntik ko na palang makalimutan yung hair ko. Ibaban ko lang yung hair ko para literal na clean girl. Tsaka man. For the bun. And I guess we're done. If magtatanong kayo kung bakit wala akong necklace or like mga bracelet, pero may earrings lang. Kasi mas malinis talaga tignan kapag walang kwentas or bracelet. And this is the final look! And that's it. This is the final look. Super clean, super fresh, and super glowing. Perfect for school and everyday errands na look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what makeup look should I do for my next video. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more soft glam and glow up content. See you in my next video. Bye-bye! Mama chuchup.